ॐ रामाय रामचन्द्राय रामभद्राय वेदसे रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीताया पतये नमो। जय श्री राम। Good evening to you all. Actually, today I am going to deliver my speech apart from the session of my previous continuation. अगले continuation को छोड़ के आज कुछ मैं नए कहने जा रहा हूँ। নতুন কিছু বলতে হচ্ছে কারণ during the previous days there are very much our country's situation is truly it's amazing due to the flow of Ram wave, Ram lahar that is running towards us all the Indians and nationalists, those who like Ram. This is the thing that on the 5th August, the Ram Mandir Shilapujan has been completed. राम मंदिर के शिलापूजन के बाद बहुत सारे ये तर्क वितर्क बहुत आलोचना की ये अवकाश आ चुकी है. There is a big debate on Ram Mandir and so many people with the advantage of our constitutional Vak Swadhinata, freedom of speech. They're going on telling so much dividing and so much disturbing talks and disturbing mentalities we have been getting found throughout the medias and all. सारे मीडिया में ये सब प्रकाशित है, लेकिन बात क्या है, मैं तो पॉलिटिकल बात में नहीं जाना चाहता हूँ. Actually, these are all politics which has polluted our society and our country up to greatest extent during the previous years, previous decades. पिछले दशक नहीं शतकों से ये चली आ रही है. ये जो है, actually this subcontinent is totally confused whether Ram was existent or not. Thing is that Ram, we Hindus, in our Sanatani belief, we have a confidence that Ram was there and Ram was the 7th incarnation of Lord Vishnu. और राम राज्य की प्रतिष्ठा उन्हीं के हाथों से हुआ था. और राम राज्य की प्रतिष्ठा के लिए वो अपने 14 साल की तप किए थे, 14 साल के वनवास गए थे और उस तप में असुर निधन किए थे जो लंका में थे. लंका was then another part, another island, and there was the civilization of Asur, and Asur Raj Ravan was there. The big kingdom was there, Lanka, and the Lord Vishnu's 7th incarnation, Maryada Purushottam Ram. Tini Gechilen. This is not a myth. The NASA has proved it that there is a bridge. There is a shade of bridge till today from the Pak Pranali, Rameswaram to Sri Lanka. And also through the excavation of the Archaeological Survey of India, it has been proved that in Ayodhya there was a temple which was been broken by the Mir Baki, the Babar. Who was Babar? Babar was an invader. Babar was the carrier of some other country's feeling, other country's faith. And he came to India when there was no feeling of any Muslim or any minority feeling in India. But after his coming, 1400 years ago, Muslim reign has been started and Mughal dynasty take control over this country and they ruled this country. And this was the tragedy. And we can't believe that this tragedy of Babar, this is still being continued in the free India during the last 70 years, last 7 decades, we have suffered with that decrepit and deviatory structure of Babri Dhacha, which has been demolished in 1992, and still now, when the Supreme Court, when the constitutional process, संवैधानिक व्यवस्था जब पूरा के पूरा साथ करके 5 अगस्त को रिसेंटली इट हैज बिन गोइंग टू द कंस्ट्रक्टेड भूमि पूजन, शिला पूजन की संपन्न हो चुका है। आज के लिए ये हमारे गर्व के दिन है। इट्स अ मैटर ऑफ प्राइड फॉर ऑल इंडियंस, ऑल नेशनलिस्ट्स, दोज हु लाइक द कल्चर एंड हेरिटेज ऑफ इंडिया। विविधेर माझे मिलन महान, Ram was the symbol of that unity, which is still now carried out in the main Islamic country, Indonesia. You go there and find that the most popular character, mythological character, is Ram, and Ram opera is very much popular to there. And also in Indonesia, Bali, Burma, everywhere else, Ram culture is always there. Go to Sri Lanka, there is also Ashoka Batika, there is also Ram Mandir, Sita's Mandir, everything is there. And Ram was not a imaginary character. Ram was there, and that's why the feeling of Ram Rajya, what was been given by Bapu, our father of nation, he also told, hey Ram, he was a confident devotee of Sri Ram, and always he used to sing Raghupati Raghav Raja Ram, Patita Pavan Sita Ram. तो then जो हुआ है, ये भारत समुदाय के ये जो माइनॉरिटीज है, मेजॉरिटीज है, सबने मिलके खुशी से इसको ग्रहण करे तो इस देश की समृद्धि, इस देश की तरक्की पुख्ता होगी। इसमें कोई दो राय नहीं है, कोई संदेह नहीं है। अब जो भूले बिसरे, भुलाने वाले और जिसको भटकाने वाले जो लोग हैं, उसके अभाव में, उसके बहकाव में मत आइए। Don't go into the provocation of some other distinguished divisionalists, distinguished provincialists. It's India, and India was being reigned by Ram, and again Ram Rajya will be established with our own motto, our own physical, mental, and all sorts of support. It must be happen, and have confidence that we must get it done within years. Jai Shri Ram.